Hey guys, it's Kadra, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. I've been in this apartment for like 4 months. Yeah, I moved in July, and now it's November. Yeah. So it's been 4 months now. So yeah, but I still don't got everything, that I need. It's not fully, finished. It's not, I'm grateful, that I was, able to move out at 20 years old. And, it's not easy. I mean, you definitely miss not paying bills. But, I mean, it is cool to, be on your own and experience that. It's different, being on my own. But, yes. And I'm by the door, as you can probably hear. They're cutting the grass, so sorry about that. So let's get into this tour. Okay, so this is the front door, and this is the little mat, and then got my TV, which I still don't have cable, but that's okay. I didn't really want cable. I'm thinking about getting like a Fire Stick or something. But I do have internet, as you can see. I have the, what do you call it, routers. Then my remotes, I got my little pictures, my graduation, diploma, little candles my mom put. And then I have a couch. And I am thankful because, a lot of people don't have, anything when they first move in. So yeah, they gave me their couch, because they moved also. So they let me have this couch, this blanket, some little pillows. Then this little table my mom had in her little office. And then I have these magazines that I've been having, like some of these are old. And then some over here. And then got the window, the blinds. Cool. So, and I like this carpet. It's like soft, and I don't know, it goes with the wall. As you see, the wall is not like white or, it just looks nice. So I like that. And then over here, again, they let me out of their bar stools that they have. And over there is my it's for lighting when I'm recording or anything. But now I just kind of use it to take pictures or record a video or something. Then I have those on the wall. I'm pretty sure I got them from like probably Burlington or something. Then I got my laptop plugged in. This is the kitchen. They gave me this, for decoration. Got some cups over there. And hand sanitizer. Then they gave me this to put on my wall. I got my purse. And over here, it's like the, I guess it would be the washer and dryer. But like, the washer and dryer room, but I don't have one. We just have one like outside. It's literally like right by me, so I can just walk and wash my clothes. But yeah, this is this. You can turn the light on. And so I have that in there. And then I have some boxes that I still haven't got rid of in here. And it's not touching, so. And then some polymer name tags. Got a broom, little vacuum, keep dirty clothes. And then up here, washer, detergent, air freshener, tissue, soap, trash bags, the bag that everyone keeps. And turn that off. So that's that. That's literally the whole front room. It's just one bedroom. It's just me, so I like that is, small. But it still looks decent. So just kinda giving a circle. Okay, then when you go back here, like I said, it's the kitchen. Turn the light on. And then I like the floors. They're cute. And over here, the stove. It comes with a microwave. The sink. Got some candles again that they gave me. And then of course they let me have some other plates and bowls that they weren't gonna use anymore, so. Yeah, and I have a K up there for a cager. And then got the refrigerator. I gotta go grocery shopping, so yeah, it's not nothing in there, really. Cause I like to eat, and so my food be going quick. Or I just order something. Yeah, and then this door right here. I know I'm all over the place, but okay. This is the bathroom. You just go in here. Bathroom. Turn on the light. Hello, recording on my phone. So yeah, when you walk in, this is the bathroom. This is the door that I use, and if you have a guest over, they'll use. And it's the shower curtain, bathroom. Got a little air freshener thing that automatically just sprays whenever. Got a little makeup stuff over there. And then you close that door. I don't know why I turned the light off. You close that door. You can go from the bathroom into the bedroom. So when you come out the bathroom into the bedroom, it's a closet right here, and I just put like my shoes and stuff in there, all that. Then you got it's like a quick tour, like that. And right here is the closet. Probably a little messy, not really. Just like my dresses and jackets and stuff. And over here, I don't like this thing, but whatever. Probably find something to like cover it up, but I don't know. Over here, don't mind that. It's just like my lotions and stuff. But I do want to like get like a dresser or something, cause it's like dead over here. But yeah, this is just other stuff that I keep in here, like sleeping clothes, undergarments, and all that. Perfumes. I do want to get like a nightstand for both sides and a bigger bed. This is the bed I had before I moved out, so you know, I'm still thankful for it. And yeah, I want to get probably like a queen size, new headboard, and get rid of the ottoman, get new covers. And I had a mirror that I'll probably keep because I like it. And I have another mirror. This is the window. Got some other pillows over there. Some lamp that I have still not used. If anybody wants them. Like still tag on and everything. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, this is the room. Cute. Come with a ceiling fan, so that's cool. And then that's the door again. And that's really it. Like I said, it's a 1-bedroom. This neighborhood is just only 1 bedroom, so yeah. You know, I could definitely do more. You know, I could definitely put more furniture in here. And yeah, that's really the whole tour of this apartment. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little apartment tour. It's, like I said in the video, it's a 1-bedroom, so, well, these, yeah, they're not like super big, but I don't mind. It's just me. I like it. Um, yeah. And hopefully, maybe I'll come back once I, get everything that I need and more like furniture, decorations. I'll come back with an updated apartment tour. And yeah, maybe I'll do a video on, you know, tips on getting an apartment and my journey so far. And if I'm gonna be here long, I don't know. But yeah, it's I like it though. It's I'm not um I don't give up easily, So yeah, I definitely wanna accomplish my goals, and I'm just rambling right now. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. It is hard. I could definitely be doing more, and I'm definitely gonna get there one day. And I just want to make my parents proud, my family proud, and I know they're already proud of me. But as a child, or a young adult, because I am 20 years old. Sometimes I forget that I am 20 years old. I will be 21 in a couple of months. So yeah, it's crazy, but yeah, I know they were happy and proud of me for doing this on my own. And I'm just grateful to have family that understands, like, okay, like, she's 20 years old, she's doing this on her own, no car. That's what I'm working towards. So like, I'll probably do a whole video on that, on what I do in my daily life. Maybe I'll start vlogging, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.